Welcome and welcome back to the Chems Natural YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my coffee hairspray. I use coffee. This is the coffee from Tim Hortons. I put hot water on top of this coffee. Now this coffee is not an instant coffee, so you have to let it sip a little bit and you must sieve it. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm letting it sip, trying to make sure that I get out all the coffee before I sieve. So I mix it like this with a spoon. I keep mixing and turning it and turning it. And when I feel that it's ready, I pour it into the sieve like so. So this is what remains out of it, okay? And that portion, I cannot use it. Now I noticed that when I was pouring it into this bottle, I realized that it was not so well sieved, so I rinsed it all out. And then I decided to use something before I sieved it. So I received it again, and then I was able to get a smoother or a liquid without any particles. Now I weighed it. I was trying to weigh it here because I like to add preservative in any liquid that I'm going to leave for a couple of days. Some people just put the liquid and keep it in the fridge, but I knew that I was going to be keeping this for more than 3 to 4 or 5 days. So I added my preservative. First, I measured it and I make sure I had the right measurement, and then I measured the preservative so that I have the right amount. I think I put 1% of preservative, and I also added some glycerin into this coffee liquid or coffee spray. I added glycerin because coffee for some people is drying, and I know my hair is already dried and very dehydrated all the time. I needed some humectant, so glycerin was my humectant. So then I poured it into the spray bottle. I shaked it just to make sure that it is well mixed. Now I go ahead and spray this onto my scalp. And this is how I spray it onto my scalp. Guys, this coffee has changed my hair care game. I can tell you I lost a lot of hair, and then my hair became thinner, and I also have this gray, lots of gray on my hair. I'm hoping that the coffee is going to help darken it a little bit, but I also bought some henna, which I'm going to be applying to my hair very soon. But let's see how it goes. So this is the undergrowth on my hair, and I'm hoping that all these are going to just grow out with time. So I apply it like so to my hair, scalp, and then I massage it in. So this is exactly how I apply this coffee to my scalp. Guys, if you have not tried coffee, you need to try it. It's going to help you to curb hair breakage. If you're suffering from massive hair breakage and hair loss, your hair is always falling out, you want to give coffee a try. I'm giving it a try for this couple of days since the beginning of the year 2024, and I can tell you that I think I'm happy with the results that I'm getting. I like the texture of my hair, as the way it feels in my fingers. I think it's moisturized, and whenever I take down a twist, I have less hair in my hands or on the floor. Before, in the past, my friends, I had a lot of hair on the floor and in my hands. That's how I knew that I was shedding a lot of hair. Of course, I had medical issues, underlying medical issues that was also the cause of this hair loss. But now that I'm managing or handling my medical issues, which had to do with low iron, I'm also trying the coffee spray to see what is going to give me as a result. So, what do you do with your hair if you are losing hair? Some people say tea rinses are very good. Yes, I have not really tried. I think there was a time I tried green tea or black tea, and I used it as a final rinse after washing my hair. But I noticed that my hair was a little bit hard. I think I felt that I didn't like the texture of my hair just by putting the tea spray on my hair. But well, that's just me, okay? Maybe I should have tried it a couple of times to see how my hair was going to adjust to it. But I think I was impatient and I wanted to see the results. But this was not this year, this was not last year, it was a couple of years ago. Guys, I can tell you I've been trying so many things on my hair. I've been a product junkie. I've done a lot with my hair. I've played around with my hair, but this year I want to go simple. Castor oil is what I'm applying to my scalp right now. After putting the spray onto my scalp, I take castor oil and then I apply it onto my scalp like so. I focus a lot on my edges, so the front of my hair. I focus a lot there so that I can see if I can deal with some of my receding hairlines. So I also look at the back of my hair as well. I don't neglect that part. And this is what I am doing here. So I just want to see what this is going to do for me in the next 6 months, guys. As I was telling you, I was a product junkie. I had a lot of products from Aunt Jackie to Sheer Moisture. I had practically everything in their brand or on their list. Almost everything that Sheer Moisture has, I have tried. The palm oil, the honey, the African black soap, the castor oil. I can't even remember. I've tried so many, even the shea butter one line. I've tried almost all of their products. Yeah, shea moisture is not bad. I wouldn't say it's a bad product. It's nice, but I kept buying them, so many of them, and if I don't feel it doing well, I'll add another line, and then I was just mixing, and my bathroom was always filled of so many hair products. But I had to think after my hair loss that no, I need to change things around here. I need to switch things around here, and I decided this year that I was going to try to do less products and wait to expect better results. I don't know if this is working, but I feel that's working. I look at it and I wouldn't say just in a short while, but from the result that I'm getting and the less hair that I'm losing, I'm thinking that this is actually a winner. This is actually working. So I have my shea butter here. I'm applying it to my hair now. After my castor oil, I go ahead and apply my shea butter to my hair. That's what I'm doing right here. And if you have not tried original shea butter, I suggest you give it a try. Not the one that are already refined, or those ones that look like they're no longer natural, or the ones they've mixed with some other things. I don't know what they are. If you get the original shea butter, my friends, you will see the difference. Can you see the texture of my hair? Wow. I think I love this. This is beautiful. I love this texture. I like what this is doing with my hair. Three products: aloe vera juice, coffee spray, castor oil, and then shea butter to seal in it all. So this is my hair butter that I use to seal in all the moisture that I have put into my hair. Guys, I am not going to lie to you. I am just honest here. I'm telling you exactly how it feels. I'm telling you exactly what I'm using. If you want to come on this journey with me, you're very welcome to try this along with me. Trust me, so many products is not what's going to guarantee your hair growth or your hair health. It's how you take care of your hair that matters. And this I'm learning the hard way. Yes, I am a formulator as well, and I formulate uh, products for the skin, for the hair, you know. Um, yes, it's been a good ride because I've been able to solve some of my hyperpigmentation problem, and also I know the products that I'm putting into my formulated products or the products that I'm formulating. I know that less is is very important. As long as I have the essential ingredients in the product is good to go. So I was trying to pack my hair here and I tried to put it, in a big bantu knot, and I didn't really like it. Besides, I was thinking it was going to loosen out when I start working. And so I decided to try with my banana clip. I love this banana clip, but recently my scalp has been very tender, and so when I put it on, after a couple of hours, I start feeling like it's too tight on my hair, and I take it down. But for this day, I think I was going to have a meeting, and I had to put on my camera. So I felt, okay, let me do my signature hairstyle. This is my signature hairstyle. Okay, in most of my videos around social media, you see me with this hairstyle on the top of my head. I always have this, all of my hair packed to the front and packed like this to the top of my hair, and I love it. Then I put a hairband over it just to make it look smoother, and I really really like it. So most times when I want it to be fuller, I loosen some of my hair, and so it makes it really full. So thank you so much for watching. This is exactly how I make my coffee hairspray. Thank you for watching to this point. If you have not done so yet, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when we make or I make more videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye.